Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys see by the title, we have another wig that we're going to be reviewing today. So this here was sent to me from a seller on Amazon, and this is the Isee human hair. So the company name is Isee, and this is the box that it came in, and I believe this is a water wave here. Let me just double check. This is Isee hair transparent lace closure wig. It's also human hair and pre-plucked. The density is 150. So it has baby hair and natural color. And they sent me an 18-inch. You see how this wig looks, girl? It looks beautiful, girl. If this hair look like that, ooh, girl. It looks like it's a 4x4 on the model head. It really don't say anything here. So there's no chemical mix in the hair. The material is Remy hair grade 9A. The cap size is medium size, 22 to 22.5 inches. And like I said, the density is 150. The hair color is natural color, and the base material is 4x4. All right, so the only thing we get in here is a wig cap. And we get a thank you card that's in there, and that's all that's in there. All right, so this is what she looks like here. She looks very, very full and beautiful, right? So they sent me an 18-inch, and this is the length, and it also looks like it's pre-plucked. Okay, so it's a 4x4, and this is what the front look like. I don't like how this looks right here. I don't like how this looks. Yeah, I'm not liking this. I'm not liking how the front look. I think like how they stitch it up. I don't like this. This is like the thread. So this is what she looks like. She looks very, very full, but I like it. You know, it's really full. I'm just gonna put my hand through it to see if I get anything. I feel like this wig is running off my head. Like, what's going on? I feel like she's running off my head. It's getting bigger. I just want to like put my hand through it so you guys could see. Like, if you want to keep it like this, you don't have to wet it down if you don't want to. I actually like how this curl looks. The curl is still there. It's not that bad. So I don't even know if I'm gonna wet this. A few shedding. Yeah, I get a few shedding. It's getting bigger while I put my hand through it. It don't look bad. It has a smell, but not like a bad smell or anything like that. You know, when something smells new, that's what type of smell I'm getting from it. But I do like it. The only thing I point out that I don't like is the like this right here. But the hair cover it up, so you know.
For my mama, when I finally make it, take on my vacations to Bahamas, always celebrating. Ever since my birth, I was the bomb, and now I'm detonating. No, you can't relate, you just can't relate. Every day I wake up like a boss, and I be thinking Jesus, fakers trying to get up in my circle. I don't really need them. We been saying we up next forever, now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us, yeah. I'm passionate, I work hard so when it pop it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch how I go. Don't forget to let you know I be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the ante and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Off the NT and I'm sure I'm important. When a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. All you hear is snoring. I be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I be busy ballin', ballin', ballin'. Ooh, boy. I be cashing checks like it ain't shit. Loose leaf in it. When we go out, always in the VIP. Whole crew be lit. Running my money up. Watch it up off in the sky. I ain't picking up. That's $6 on the line. You know I ain't got the time. I be busy on the move. People wonder how I made it hit. They see me paying dues. I was living check to check. Now I'm whipping something new. Better pay me my respect. I ain't never gonna lose. I be ballin'. I would chop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the NT and I'm sure I'm important. With a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. All you hear is snoring. I be busy scoring. I would chop it up, buy a house in New Orleans. Off the NT and I'm sure I'm important. With a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan.
Alright guys, so this is how the wig looks. I actually do like it. The curls are not like in the picture, so yeah, but I still do like it. And another thing that I don't like about it is the front that I shown you guys, like right here, but it cover it up, but it's like the stitches like right here. I don't like the way how they stitch it. I just think they could have done a little bit much better when it comes to the front part, but you know, you can't really see it, but I just want to, you know, show you guys what I don't like about it. But beside that, I really do like it. I love the length. It's like really long. Like I wasn't expecting it to look this long, but I actually love it. The curls looks really nice. Like it's really long. I really like the curls in the beginning, but as you comb it out, you know, the curls usually, you know, change. Did get a little shedding, but that's about it. But I actually like it. It's not a bad wig. You know, this is just like straight up from the box, and I just like, you know, try to work with it, but I like it. You just have to put some water in it and you just fix it however you want to fix it. Put the baby hair and all that. You could do that, especially like in the front here. If you don't like the stitches, the hair, cover it up. And you guys know, like, I'm very simple. I don't do the whole baby hair. This is not something that I like too much. So you could do whatever you want to do pertaining this wig, but it is a beautiful unit. I like it. I actually love water wave hair. I feel like they look really natural on me. This is just like a really beautiful wig. You know, I love the length. It's very soft. Like this hair is like really soft, and it didn't get any tangle or anything like that. Like you see how soft it is, just like really beautiful. And I did wet it a little bit, so it's a little damp. You know, it was like too wild. And yeah, see, this is actual curls here. So you see how it is. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I also have an Amazon storefront for you guys. So if you want to purchase this wig, it will be in the description box down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. It's very important that you guys subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell, so when I upload videos, you guys will be notified. And I also have an Instagram page. If you guys want to follow me on there, it will also be in the description box and on the screen for you guys. So thank you guys so much for your support. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Like I'm Jordan, while you hear the snoring, I'll be busy scoring. I would chop it up, buy a house in New Orleans.